Hello, if you want to know how to DIY facial for sensitive skin at the comfort of your home, then keep on watching. First of all, we're gonna clean our faces, and I use the Clean and Clear Acne Triple Clear Cleanser. It has salicylic acid for acne treatment and it's oil free. It has aloe vera and mint. So yeah, I also opened up my pores with steam for like 10 minutes on my face to make the extraction a lot easier. And now I'm gonna use a disinfected bobby pin to extract any blackheads, any whiteheads or pimples that you might have. I don't know, this method works for me. I really make sure that bobby pin is disinfected. I leave it for like half an hour on pure alcohol. And I always like clean my face after this, so don't worry about that. Anyways, try not to hurt yourself in the process, because can't get too frisky with your face. And if you have sensitive skin like me, you shouldn't be putting too much pressure on your face, because as you know, we get red a lot more easier. We get like little bumps a lot more easier. It's just like, no, I cannot deal with this. So extract your way through this. And now we're gonna disinfect and tone those parts we extracted. I personally use witch hazel for toning my face. I mean, it's good for sensitive skin. It doesn't over dry your skin, and it's good for clearing out acne or pimple scars. So I'm just gonna concentrate first on the areas I just extracted, and then I'm just gonna rub this all over my face. Once this is dried, I'm going to go in with my scrub, and I'm using the L'Oreal 360 Clean. This is a deep cleansing exfoliating scrub, and it's so good for sensitive skin. I mean, really, it doesn't make my face red. It cleans so well. Like, I use this every single day. I mean, seriously, it's so good. And this time I'm gonna use the little pad that comes with it, the little scrub pad, the cute little thing. I'm gonna be using it today. I don't frequently use this. I don't use this every time I use the scrub, but when I really want that deep scrub, I definitely use this because it's wonderful for that. So as you can see, I just put a little bit on the pad and just dot the product on my face, and then I'll start with the scrubbing and just scrub your way through life. No, but really, I don't know if you have noticed, but I'm putting every single product on my face as well as my neck, because you guys, I can't emphasize this enough. You have to take care of your neck. It's part of it, really. It's part of the bundle. Okay, you got a face, you got a neck, you gotta take care of that neck. Girl, it's the only place, except your hands, that's gonna show up your age. So take care of that sweet little neck of yours, and just work it. Now that I've washed out my face and towel dried it, I'm gonna move on to facial mask. And the one I'm gonna be using is the facial mask, the peel off cucumber facial mask. It's so freaking good, you guys. It renews and refreshes your skin. It's so freaking good. I mean, it's so fresh. It's so so I'm just gonna apply it on my hand and then directly to my face, and I'm just gonna probably just like put on the product there. I'm making sure I have like a medium layer. You don't want it to be too thick because it can, like, literally you're gonna be like an hour easily like waiting for that to dry up. So make sure you have a medium layer, not too thin, not too thick, you know, just the right amount. Use your good judgment. So yeah, I'm just spreading it out on my skin, making sure I got everything covered. Remember to put on some on your neck. Okay, your neck is important. Give your neck some love. It needs it. Really, it does. So you're gonna want to wait like a good 20 to 30 minutes, even a little bit more, you know, for this to dry up. So look for something to do, look for something entertaining. I don't know, I'm just plucking on my eyebrows, looking to do something good with my life.
Guys,
Every time you just pluck your eyebrows, do you sneeze? I always do that. I don't know why. Like, seriously, why do I have to sneeze? Anyways, so while I'm at it, I'm just gonna hydrate my lips with this Palmer's cocoa butter formula. So freaking good. I mean, it's so moisturizing. When I was in North Carolina, this was all I used for that freaking cold. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you want glowy, healthy looking skin, you have to hydrate your body with water. Water. I don't mean no iced tea. I don't mean no Kool-Aid. I mean water. No time is wasted when you're eating. You get me? You get me? I bet you do. I bet you do. And the waiting continues. So just dance your way through this. You can do it, honey. You can't wait this time. Just look for entertaining things. Just work it, honey. Work that creepiness. So now that our face is ready for the peel off. So peel off. Peel off for what? No, heavenly, don't. Just don't. Oh my god, isn't it so satisfying when you can peel a mask off, like at once, like everything at once? I don't know, it's just so satisfying. So I just washed my face with water to remove any excess. I'm just putting on my spot treatment to, you know, lighten up those spots that got a little bit too red and to prevent any scarring. I'm now using my collagen toner. And I'm just patting it onto my skin. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for that to dry. And then I'm gonna put on my hydrating spray from Mary Kay. And finally, when that dries up, I'm putting on my trusty botanic oil, 100% organic with rosehip. It's a nourishing facial oil. I mean, it's so great. So now what you're seeing, no, I'm not doing the silly faces in vain. It's neck exercises to prevent that sagginess. So you guys, this is how my face looks. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And if you haven't seen my other 2 videos, go watch them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.